The year 2025 is not merely another date on the calendar. It is the culmination of a strategic, global financial recalibration that we have long anticipated. For years, you have navigated a labyrinth of rumors, faced setbacks with resilience, and held on to a vision of financial sovereignty that many deemed impossible. But I am here to tell you that the waiting is over. The long-awaited revaluation of the Iraqi Dinar and Vietnamese Dong represents far more than a simple currency adjustment. It is a fundamental and irreversible shift in the very architecture of global wealth distribution. This event is your gateway, but a gateway is useless if you do not know the code to unlock it, the path to walk through it, and the plan to secure what lies on the other side. The intelligence you now possess is your most critical asset. But let me be unequivocally clear. Raw intelligence without a disciplined, actionable framework is just noise. It is the difference between having a map and knowing how to navigate the terrain. The chasm that will separate those who merely witness this historic event from those who truly capitalize on it will not be defined by luck. It will be defined by the rigor of their preparation, the clarity of their mindset, and the precision of their execution today, right now. This very moment, we are decisively moving beyond the frustrating cycle of speculation and entering the phase of verified, definitive action. The path to securing not just your wealth, but your family's legacy for generations is now being illuminated. But this path is not for the hesitant or the faint of heart. It demands discipline, an unwavering focus, and a profound understanding that this is a financial operation that requires a soldier's discipline, not a gambler's hope. The time for passive waiting is over. The era of personal responsibility and strategic execution has begun. This is your defining moment to transition from being an observer on the sidelines, hoping for a change, to becoming the undisputed architect of your own destiny. The opportunity is real. The intelligence is confirmed, the timeline is set, and now the monumental responsibility to act decisively with clarity and purpose rests entirely on your shoulders. Do not underestimate what is required of you in this historic window. Let's talk about the foundation upon which everything will be built. Before you even think about walking into a bank, before you contemplate the life-changing sums of money, you must have your documents in perfect, unassailable order. This is not a suggestion. It is the non-negotiable first rule of engagement. In any high-stakes scenario, the individuals who succeed are those who control You cannot control the final exchange rate or the exact hour the process goes live, but you have absolute 100% control over the state of your documentation. This is your armor. This is what will separate a smooth, efficient, and successful exchange from a bureaucratic nightmare that could delay your access to your funds for weeks or even months. The core of this armor is your proof of ownership and identity. You must have the original physical certificates of your dinar and dong holding. These are not mere pieces of paper. They are the legal title to your investment. Ensure they are pristine, without any tears, stains, or unauthorized markings. Next, you need 2 forms of government tissue photo identification. A valid passport is mandatory, especially for the international banking options we will discuss. This is your primary key. Your driver's license or a state ID will serve as a crucial secondary proof. Furthermore, you must have your original Social Security card. The financial institutions involved are mandated to report this information to the IRS. And having this document readily available will prevent immediate and unnecessary hurdles. Finally, prepare several original utility-style bills that prove your current physical address. This seems simple, but it is a standard compliance check. Bank statements, a recent electricity bill, or a water bill will suffice. I want you to gather these documents today, not tomorrow, not next week. Place them in a single, secure, and waterproof folder. This act alone shifts your psychology from being a passive hopeful to an active participant. You are now building your operational command center. This is your first tangible step towards claiming what is rightfully yours, and it must be executed with flawless precision. Now, We move from preparation to execution, the moment of truth. With your foundational documents secured, your strategy for the exchange itself must be equally impeccable. This is not a single event, but a phased operation that demands foresight and discipline. Your first critical decision is the selection of the financial institution. You have two primary avenues: domestic banks within the United States or international banks, specifically within the UAE, which have been strategically positioned as hubs for this event. Your choice will be dictated by your personal financial strategy and the scale of your exchange. Domestic banks offer the comfort of proximity, but may be subject to higher initial scrutiny and potential reporting thresholds that could trigger immediate tax implications. International banks, while requiring more logistical planning, often provide a higher degree of privacy and sophisticated wealth management services designed for substantial cross-border transactions. Do not make this decision lightly. I urge you to conduct preemptive verification. This means contacting the specific, pre-identified branches we have listed in the description below, not a generic customer service line. Establish a point of contact. Confirm their specific protocols for the RV exchange. This proactive step transforms you from just another customer into a recognized client managing a significant financial event. Once inside the bank, your composure is your currency. You are not there to celebrate. You are there to conduct business. Present your pristine documents calmly and confidently. You will be guided through the process of physically exchanging your currency notes and establishing the new accounts for your funds. This is where your pre-planned financial architecture becomes paramount. Do not let these funds simply sit in a single standard checking account. Your immediate next step, which should be planned before you even walk through the bank's doors, is the strategic allocation of this capital. This involves the creation of a tiered account structure checking, savings, and, most importantly, dedicated investment accounts. You are not cashing a ticket. You are activating a financial engine. The entire process, from the handover of your currency to the seeding of your new accounts, must be viewed as a single, seamless, and deliberate maneuver. Your calm, prepared, and strategic demeanor will not only ensure a smoother process, but will also set the tone for how you intend to manage your newfound wealth with purpose and precision.